Hello guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will discuss about the speed control of a universal motor in a sewing machine. This is a diagram. Line 1 natin, then ito yung switch, sa put switch natin sa sewing machine. Then, yung other terminal patungo dito sa carbon pellets or resistor. Then, ito patungo dito sa series na winding, then contactor. Then, series again for line 2. Pag on niya guys, pag on sa switch, pagtamak niya guys, yung contact yung carbon pellets guys, then magkuklose yung contactor natin guys. Ito. Then, mugana na yung contactor natin. Nagka-joint lang dito sa winding guys. Series lang siya. Series. Tapos, ito yung inline resistor guys sa ating circuit protection siya guys. Para hindi makakuha yung motor natin. Masunog. In case magka-trouble, mauna ito madamage si resistor natin. Or pag mapudpud na yung carbon pellets. Then, another diagram is a fan motor with low, medium, and high speed control switch. This is a diagram. This is line 1. This is line 2. This is a running winding. Tapos, ito terminal sa high. Multiple tapping natin. Inductor with multiple tap. High, medium, and low. Then, ito dito guys, capacitor. Para mo-run yung motor. Then, nakakonect dito sa starting winding. Ito yung switch natin. Pag i-on natin guys, then on. Ilagay natin sa low. Yung current dito dumaloy, tapos papunta sa low, then ang current papunta dito sa capacitor. Pag tulak niya kurente, tapos patungo sa starting. Start na yung motor natin guys. Tapos pag start na guys, dahil ito line 1 din, then magra-running na yung winding. Magra-run na yung motor dahil sa winding, para ito gumana na yung ating motor. Para start lang to guys. Pag start na niya, gumana na, ito na magdadala ng kuha niya, running winding niya guys, para tumakbo yung motor. Sisit natin sa depende sa speed na gusto natin, medium o high, dahil nakakonect naman sa multi-tapping siya guys, para lumakas yung speed ng motor natin. Bible verse of the day, John chapter 1 verse 41. He first findeth his own brother Simon, and saith unto him, We have found the Messiah, which is being interpreted the Christ. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.